morning all of you. Carboxylic acid, properties of carboxylic acid 4. Decarboxylation reaction. What is meant by decarboxylation? D means removal of carbon dioxide from carboxyl group, COOH group is called decarboxylation. The decarboxylating agent used is soda lime. Soda is nothing but sodium hydroxide NaOH, lime calcium oxide, Na plus OH minus, one alkali metal hydroxide, alkaline earth metal oxide. The salt of carboxylic acid, sodium acetate. How sodium acetate is obtained? Acetic acid CH3COOH when treated with sodium hydroxide NaOH, a strong base gives acetate minus H plus Na plus OH minus. This plus is added to minus, this plus is added to minus, gives CH3 C double bond O ONA plus loss of H2O water molecule. This is nothing but sodium acetate, and this sodium acetate used in decarboxylation reaction. Sodium acetate CH3 C double bond O ONA when treated with soda lime NaOH in presence of calcium oxide on heating. Sodium is removed as sodium carbonate Na2CO3. This H plus is added to methyl, gives methane CH4 plus loss of sodium carbonate. Sodium is monopositive, carbonate is a 2 minus ion, that 2 is here, this one is that. Sodium carbonate with the loss of methane, methane gas is evolved. Then we have Golf electrolytic decarboxylation reaction. Golf electrolytic decarboxylation reaction. Sodium acetate, 2 molecules of sodium acetate, CH3 C double bond O ONA, or potassium acetate, CH3 C double bond O ONA. The aqueous solution of sodium acetate or potassium acetate on electrolysis gives alkane at the anode. 2 molecules of sodium acetate. A bond containing 2 electrons, we know. Now during electrolysis, what happens? When current is passed into the aqueous solution of sodium acetate, 2 sodium along with its electron are removed as 2 Na, and this carbon-carbon bond undergo cleavage. Now I write the electron of this carbon in this place. So this methyl CH3, now I write here, and the electron of methyl carbon is putting here. Another one methyl, the electron of methyl carbon after cleavage of this bond, now I write here, 2 electrons combine with each other, form a covalent bond. Now here we have C double bond O single bond oxygen. Now I write the electron of this oxygen here and the electron of this carbon here. 2 electrons combine to form a single bond. one carbon dioxide, another carbon dioxide, C double bond O, single bond oxygen. Now I write electron of this oxygen here, electron of this carbonyl carbon here, 2 electron combined to form one more double bond. The main product is 2 carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond ane ethane, sodium acetate on Golf electrolysis gives ethane. The question may be asked like this: how will you prepare methane from sodium acetate? How will you prepare ethane from sodium acetate? Then this is sodium acetate. Sodium formate on Golf electrolysis liberate hydrogen. Sodium formate H, C, double bond O, ONA, H, C, double bond O, ONA, sodium formate undergo Golf electrolysis. This bond containing 2 electron we know. The hydrogen electron and hydrogen electron after the bond cleavage combine with each other, H2 molecule is formed. That hydrogen is liberated as H2 in gaseous state. These carbon electrons combine with each other gives C, OONA, and here also a new bond is formed between these 2 carbon atoms, COONA. So, sodium formate on Golf electrolytic method gives disodium oxalate with the liberation of H2 in gaseous state. So, in this the decarboxylation and Golf electrolytic decarboxylation method we have discussed. In the incoming video, we are going to discuss the reaction of carboxylic acid with ammonia, then dehydration reaction, HVEZ reaction. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.